Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Happy Sunday. We are outside of CVS to do our CVS haul for this week, and I'm super excited. There are a ton of freebies that CVS is offering every single week. So it's posted right here in the ad every single day from July 5th to the 18th. We are going to be getting a freebie. So no CRTs, nothing like that. You can find the coupon for the free item in the app only. So make sure you have the CVS app downloaded on a smartphone, and that of course you have a CVS account. That is all you're gonna need to be able to take advantage of these freebies. So super easy, super beginner friendly. Stay tuned, I will also be choosing the winner of the coupon inserts from today, the P&G and the Smart Source, and they will include the Tide coupons. So I'm gonna go inside, hopefully I can grab a newspaper. I went to 3 stores this morning, nobody had newspapers for some reason. Some didn't get delivered, some were already sold out. It's super weird, so fingers crossed that we can get lucky. Even without today's inserts, there's still a bunch of great deals that we are going to be doing today using those instant coupons from the previous week. So the Brookside chocolate and the LOreal instant coupon, so stay tuned for that. I will also be choosing the winner on my Instagram, so my second winner for some inserts as well. So if you don't follow me there yet, make sure you head over to my Instagram, Bree the Coupon Queen. If you're not subscribed, of course, take a second and hit that subscribe button. If you're looking for a channel that is gonna help you save hundreds and hundreds of dollars on everyday household items, makeup, laundry products, things like that. It is a monsoon outside right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but we are gonna wait a second. Hopefully it dies down because the umbrella I have is super flimsy and it already flipped inside out once. So we'll see what we can do, but let's go ahead, go inside and start taking advantage of all these deals. The first quick deal I want to share with you guys is on some paparazzi nail polish. So this isn't the original like showcase that has the paparazzi nail polish. It's a separate bin, but all of these in here are just 99 cents each. A bunch of different fun colors, some glitter, things like that. And there are some $2 off of 3 CRTs that have been floating around. So if you have that and you grab 3 of these, your final cost would be like 97 cents for 3 nail polishes, or about 33 cents each, which is definitely a great deal. So we are going to continue with the makeup deals, and our first stop is Physicians Formula. So they are on sale this week. When you buy 2, you're gonna get a $10 extra back. So what we're gonna do is, the cheapest item you can grab is this coconut eye makeup remover. They are $7.49. So grabbing 2 of those would be the cheapest option that you can do. But my store only has 1. So we're gonna grab one of these. We're gonna switch it up a little bit. Over here, they have some lip pencils that are $8.49. So this is the next cheapest item. So I'm gonna grab one of these. Then I'm gonna use this $4 CRT that I got today. If you also have like a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, definitely add that in with this deal. If you only have this CRT, you're gonna wind up paying $11.98. Then you're gonna get back that $10 extra back, making it just 99 cents each, which is obviously an amazing deal on some makeup. I do love their products. There is a coconut butter, see if I can find it, that I wear, their bronzer. It's like honey butter bronzer or something. I don't know, but I wear it a lot and I absolutely love it. So I definitely like Physicians Formula. So let's grab this and go on to our next deal. For Rimmel this week, they are on sale. When you spend $14, you're gonna get a $6 extra back. So I do use some of these eyeshadows. This palette here, these 2 are my favorite. One thing you can grab is gonna be 2 of these liquid eyeliners, or you can grab 2 of these, mix and match, whichever. They're $6.99 each. That'll bring your total to $13.98. So if your store abides by the 98% rule, that would be a great, great deal. Then what you're going to do, if you have a 3 off of 12 Rimmel Cosmetic CRT or a 3 off of 12 any cosmetic CRT, definitely add that with this deal. You'll pay $10.98, get back a $6 extra buck, making your final cost $4.98 for both products, or $2.49 each. This will, of course, track towards CVS Beauty. The next deal we're gonna do is on L'Oreal hair care. This week is buy two, get a $4 extra buck. If you have, I think it was a 3 off of 2 coupon from the 6/28 Retail Me Not, that'll make it a moneymaker. I do not have that, unfortunately, but I do still have this 3 off of 2 instant coupon from last week. So that'll take off $3. Buying 2 of these, total is gonna be $9.98. So I will be paying $6.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4 extra buck, making the final cost $2.98 for both, or $1.49 each. Not the best deal, but I don't want the CRT to go to waste, and I am needing some more hair care products. This also counts towards CVS Beauty, so let's go ahead and add these to the cart. Another quick deal we're gonna do is gonna be Pantene. Now, it is part of the deal for spend 30, get a $10 extra buck, which I will be doing. I'm gonna do a second CVS haul when I get all of my coupons and my Tide coupons. It wasn't letting me print any from pgeveryday.com. It said I had printed them all. So I'm gonna wait to do this deal, but I'm just gonna grab one Pantene because I have some CRTs that are going to expire and it'll make it completely free. I have this $2 off one Pantene CRT. And if I put the Pantene and the L'Oreal in the same transaction, that'll put me over $12. So I can use this CRT as well, making the Pantene completely free. The next deal you can do is gonna be on the Gillette and Venus disposable razors. This week, they're $7.99. Buy 3, get an $8 extra buck. So the best thing to do is gonna be to grab 2 of these. It has to be the 10 count. Those are the ones that are $7.99. Grabbing 2 of those, then you are going to be coming over here and grabbing one of the Venus. And the reason is, you can grab this Venus or you can grab this Venus, any of the ones that are marked. Now there are $5 coupons in the P&G insert. So let me see if I can show you that. Okay, so they did have a newspaper and there was just one PG insert in it. The other insert was not in the newspaper in my region, but I still want to share with you guys the deal and show you guys what you would use. So you're going to use 2 of these $5 coupons. It says a limit of 2. That's why we're going to grab 2 of those Gillette Sensor 2 razors. Now, if this is the only insert you're buying or the only newspaper, you're going to use this $3 coupon. If you got the newspapers last week, you can use this $4 coupon, so you'd be saving an additional $1. Using this one, it was from the 6/28 Retail Me Not, I believe. It will be listed in the printable breakdown. You will pay $9.97, get back that $8 extra buck for buying 3, making your final cost $1.97 for all 3, or 65 cents each. If you have like a 5 off of 20 shave CRT, that is going to make it a nice moneymaker. So that would be a $3.03 moneymaker. Here is a nice freebie that you can grab. So Schick razors are on sale. Spend $15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're buy one, get one half off. So if you grab 2 of these, they're $9.99 in my store. That'll bring your total to $14.98. This store does abide by that 98% rule. Then you're gonna use this 7 off of 2 digital coupon if you haven't already. And I have a 3 off of 12, if you can see it. There we go. Razors, cartridges, or any other razor CRT. So I'm gonna now pay $4.98 out of pocket, get back that $5 extra buck, making them both completely free. Now it's time for that free item from CVS. So you can get the acetaminophen 50 caps or the ibuprofen. I couldn't find the ibuprofen, so I'm just gonna grab this acetaminophen. Oh, there it goes. Why am I so clumsy sometimes? Okay, these are going to be completely free, and it is a $5.29 value, which is absolutely amazing. So make sure you have this coupon clipped. I have heard that sometimes it doesn't attach or it doesn't come off, so just make sure you're watching your numbers when you check out. Now we're gonna pick up some feminine care products. So Playtex is on sale. Buy one, get one half off, and when you spend $12, you're gonna get a $3 extra buck. So we're gonna pick up one of these, the 36 count tampons. They are $9.99. Then we're gonna pick up one of the 18 count. They are $6.29. Oh, come on. But this one is going to be half off at $3.15. Now we are going to be using this digital coupon for $3 off too. I don't have any feminine care CRTs or anything like that to use, so I'm gonna pay $9.64 out of pocket. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2 back each. It is a limit of 2. That'll give us back $4, and we're gonna get back a $3 extra back. So our final cost is gonna be $2.64 for both, or just $1.32 each. And for the Poise deal, this is gonna wind up being a small moneymaker. I'm gonna grab this ultra thin pads, the 11 count. They are included in the deal. They're on sale $5.99, and when you buy one, you're gonna get a $2 extra back. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Then we're gonna use this $3 digital coupon, and we're gonna submit it to Fetch Rewards. My account is showing 1,200 points when you buy an ultra thin pads. That is the equivalent to $1.20. So final cost, we're gonna wind up paying $2.99 out of pocket. We're gonna get back a $2 extra buck and $1.20 from Fetch Rewards. Final cost is completely free and a 20-cent moneymaker. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, here is my code, J24VT. When you sign up, you will get an additional 2,750 points, making this an even bigger moneymaker. For some NYX Cosmetics, we are going to be grabbing 2 things, and they're on sale. Spend $12, get a $5 extra back. So what I'm gonna do is grab a lip liner and a lipstick, and look, they're all matching, which absolutely is amazing. So a lot of places don't, and I'm not very good at matching colors, so this makes it nice and easy for you. They are $4.29 and $8.69, which is gonna bring your total to $12.98. I have this 3 off of 10 NYX Cosmetics CRT and this $3 off any NYX Professional Makeup. So I believe both of these will work because they're called NYX Professional Makeup. So we are gonna give this a shot. That'll take off $6. We'll pay $6.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making the final cost $1.98 for both. And this also tracks towards CVS Beauty. We should be hitting Beauty, I'm assuming 2 times. It will be listed in the printable breakdown as well, giving us back at least a $6 Beauty buck, which will hit our account in about 48 hours. Our next cosmetic deal is on CoverGirl. So they are on sale. Spend $15, get a $5 extra back. Of course, there are a ton of different ways that you can get to $15. I am going to be grabbing one of these brown eyeliners because I love brown eyeliner the most, and for some reason, all I've been buying is black. So we're gonna grab this. It is $8.29. Then we're gonna come down here, grab one of these professional mascaras. They are $6.99. That is gonna bring our total to $15.28. In the 621 Smart Source, we got $3 off 1 eye coupons. So we're gonna use 2 of those. And I have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl Cosmetic CRT. I'll be left to pay $6.29 for both of these items. Then we're gonna get back that $5 extra back, making our final cost $1.29 for both, or about, what, 65 cents each, which is awesome for some cosmetics. Next deal we're gonna do is on some Brookside chocolate. So I love this chocolate, and I am gonna spoil myself a little today. They are on sale this week, 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $2 extra back. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the acai berry. Those are my favorite. If you saved this $1 off 2, or just $1 off 1, sorry, coupon from last week, then you will pay $5 out of pocket, get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost $3 for 2, or $1.50 each. Okay, so it's time to choose the winner of my giveaway, giving away the coupon inserts that came out today. So the P&G insert and the Smart Source. Congratulations to Christina Robinson. All you have to do is send me an email within 2 days to the following email address. Just let me know that you are the winner of the coupon inserts. Send me your address so I can get those in the mail for you. Hopefully I can get them out tomorrow if you send me all of your information. I will be going to UPS tomorrow as well. thank you to everyone who entered. Make sure you check my Instagram as well. I will be posting the winner on Instagram for the second winner to get some coupon inserts as well. Okay, so we're back in from CVS. There was one digital coupon giving me some issues, and it was the Poise digital coupon. Literally says any Poise for the ultra thin, and that's exactly what I bought, and it wasn't seeming to work for some reason. Not really sure what was going on with that, but I want to share with you guys my receipts, of course, as usual, and I wanted to let you know, make sure you're submitting all your receipts to Fetch Rewards. You still get points even if there's no bonus items on your receipts. So the first transaction I did, I just split them up into two transactions. I got the chocolate, the Poise, the NYX, CoverGirl, and Physicians Formula. So forgot to add the lipstick, so I wound up getting that in the second transaction, so I did get that extra buck for the NYX. Gave her all the coupons, wound up paying $10.04 out of pocket. I used a Fetch Rewards gift card, so I don't have that many extra bucks. I haven't been getting that many moneymaker deals or anything like that to have a ton of extra bucks to use. So I only started today with $15 in extra bucks. So thankfully I had the Fetch Rewards gift cards that I could use so that my out of pocket was still $0. The next transaction I did, I got the Pantene, the Playtex, Elvive, the L'Oreal, and that freebie, the CVS pain reliever there. So the coupons that came off, I used a $1 coupon from the PG insert as well. So $1 off one for that Pantene. The $2 or $3 off two Playtex. The $5.29 is that freebie digital coupon for the CVS item. Then we had the $3 off 2 L'Oreal instant coupon, 3 off 12 hair care CRT, $2 Pantene, and these were extra bucks that I rolled. Paid $5.79 plus taxes, and I did use another CVS gift card. So I think all of my digital coupons came off. Didn't really do a super huge haul today. I will definitely be coming back so I can take advantage of more deals. I will be doing the Venus deal. I want to do the Tide deal, a couple other hot deals going on at CVS. If you have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below, let me know. Give the video a big thumbs up for me if these were some deals that you guys can definitely use. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.